Biology. Which of the following is a club mouse? Lost Lycopodium raphe in Marsilia is present in Sporocarp. The steel type occurring in Marsilia is amphiploic steel. The morphological nature of rhizophore of Selaginella is both root and stem-like. The Selaginella shows large and small leaves arranged spirally. The anatomy of Pinus nigra reflects the features of a xerophyte, girdling leaf trellis or the characteristic feature of the stem of cycas. Pinus is a tree. The recent era is Cenozoic. Fossils are found in sedimentary rocks. Rivers' food material in fungi is glycogen, which is rootless fern salvinium, which is common between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration and glycolysis. Turpentine oil is obtained from pinus, which alga was used by Calvin and his co-workers in their experiments on photosynthesis. Cholera. Which of the following is an oilseed crop? Sunflower. The first transgenic plants used for commercial production was tobacco. Rare hybrid plants can be saved by protoplast culture, which is not a category ecotype. Linnaeus published his concept of binomial nomenclature first in species Plantarum. When chlorophyll is burnt, which element is obtained? Mg. Iron deficiency results in interveinal chlorosis appearing first in young leaves. A phytohormones is both naturally produced and synthetic substances. During the seismonastic movement in Mimosa pudica, turgor changes occurs in pulvinous leaf base. Evergreen trees remain green throughout the year on the account of leaves falling in a small number at intervals. Phenotypic ratio of dihybrid test cross is 1:1:1:1. The damaged ozone layer is situated in the stratosphere. Which one of the following is ordinarily not an air pollutant? CO2. Genes are made by polynucleotides. The term ecosystem was proposed by Tansley. The first juvenile larva of Ascaris is known as rhabditiform larva. Chromosomes contain DNA, RNA, histone and non-histone proteins, which are phagocytes in livers, Kupffer cells. Termites digest wood with the help of an enzyme secreted by symbiotic protozoa. In honeybee colony, the drones are produced by unfertilized eggs. Jacobson's organ is concerned with smell. Body organization in Hydra is of tissue grade. Leech obtains continuous blood stream from its victim by pouring in it. Hirude. Spicules of sponges are formed by scleroblast. Heterocoelous syndrome is a characteristic of birds, especially sedentary protocod animals are found in the class Pterobranch. Cytophagy is found in Paramecium. Littoral form of animals is found in seawater near the shore. Bladderworm is a larva of Taenium. Which of the following secretion associated with digestion does not have enzymes? Bile. Yellow fever is transmitted by female Aedes. The covering member of the vacuole is known as tonoplast. Age of features was known as Devonian. Quarantine malaria is caused by Plasmodium malariae. The word species was coined by John Ray. An embryo of chick with 4 pairs of somites is 24 hours old. In the mammals, cleavage results in the formation of solid mass of cells known as morula. F1 particles are found in mitochondria. The name polythene chromosome was suggested by Kohler. Centriole is found in animal cells. The first phylum of animal kingdom to exhibit bilateral symmetry is Platyhelminthes. The freshwater sponge is Spongilla. Flame cells are related with excretory system. The intermediate host in the life cycle of Fasciola hepatica liver fluke is snake. Vitelline membrane is found in birds. Two pigment system theory of photosynthesis was proposed by Emerson. Photosynthetic pigments in chloroplast are embedded in membrane of thylakoids. The rate of photosynthesis is maximum in red light. All energy is stored in pigment system 1 in P700. ATP molecules required for synthesis of glucose molecules in Calvin-Benson cycle are 18. Father of taxonomy is Linnaeus. For entry in gene pool, a mutation must occur in germ cells. Vessels differ from tracheids in having vertical rows of cells with cross-wall dissolved. Which one is true? Nut, cashew nut. After transcription, the DNA molecule reassociates to form its original structure. Fossilization is also known by the name preservation. The branch that deals with the plant life of the geological past is called paleobotany. Birbal Sahni Institute of Paleobotany is situated at Lucknow. In plants, largest egg is found in cycas. Which one of the following is an example of symbiosis? Lichen. Which of the following pteridophyte is known as Horsetail equisetum? Marsilia is a heterosporic pteridophyte. A plant bearing two types of spores is termed as heterospory. In Pinus present only male and female cones. Number of cotyledons found in the embryo of cycas is 2. Bryophytes are amphibious. Sporophyte is dependent on gametophyte in Bryophyta. In gametophytic phase of Bryophyta, the last cell is gamete. In Funaria, the calyptra is formed by archegonia. A bryophyte differs from pteridophyte in lack of vascular tissue. Acid resist is mainly a mixture of sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Ribosomes are sites for protein synthesis. Pyramid of energy is always upright. ATP is a molecule with high energy phosphate bond. Which one of the following is not a feature of prokaryotic cell? Absence of genetic material. Which one of the following is highly dangerous radioactive pollutant? Strontium 90. The indicator of SO2 pollution of air is lichen. The founder of cell theory was Scladian and Schwann. Fats in our body are formed when glycogen stored in liver and muscles is completed. Liver performs several functions. One of these functions is glycogenesis. Poison fangs of snakes are maxillary teeth. Wings of butterfly, birds, and bats are analogous organs. Ozone Day is observed on September 16. Which one of the following is the connecting link between Annelida and mollusca? Neopilina. The heartbeat is regulated by pacemaker, vagus nerve, and sympathetic nerve. Which pair is correct? Centrolacethal X insect. The hypothesis of coupling and repulsion for linkage was formulated by Batson and Punnett. Balanoglossus is commonly known as tongueworm. In Drosophila, sex discrimination depends on X chromosome and autosome both. Nonsense codons are UAG, UA, and UGA. In which stage does centromere divide into two? Anaphase 2. Which animal is egg-laying mammal? Tachyglossus. An oil-producing gland on the tail of some birds is known as preen gland. A snake that is viviparous is the pit viper. A gland which is found on the undersurface of the thighs of male lizards is femoral gland. Which of the following is not a pathogenic flagellata? Noctiluca. The Glochidium larva of Unio is ectoparasite of fish. The term plasma lemma was given by J.Q. Plow. Smooth ER performs all, that is synthesis of lipid, glycogenosis, sterol metabolism and detoxification. The innermost layer of egg albumin in birds is called chalaziferous. In which one of the following is the anus absent? Flatform. Which type of jaw suspension is found in mammals? Craniostylic. Synthesis of urea in liver takes place by ornithine cycle. Sexual dimorphism is found in Ascaris. Which of the following animals has a nervous system but no brain? Hydra. Aristotle lantern occurs in Echinoida. Neoteny is observed in ambystoma. Kidneys are vital organs of the body because they help in all the function, that regulation of body fluids, regulation of acid-basic balance, and removal of metabolic waste. The infective stage of malarial parasite is sporozoid, and parasitic castration occurs in Saculina.